heavens, look at that device. It's pointed right at us. I wonder what they're filming.
Latest news, read all about it. Get your evening mail here.
Look at that peculiar machine, dear.
I wonder what they are filming. The show starts soon.
What exactly do you think you are doing here with this device? I say, move that thing out of the way. Fresh apples, tuppence each. Look there, what is that machine they've got?